Sanibulani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, I'm afraid I'm gonna have to break the news. Ukuthi thina as social media, we have a hand in uMusa's family falling apart because uma ngabe says uMusa uphilela social media. She even went on to say ukuthi ubaba womuzi odlala Instagram, it's giving. And you know what, guys? I have to agree there. Listen, I don't want indoda nje edlala social media bandla. What are you doing with social media? Ufunani lapho? It is giving double standards, but I just kind of feel like indoda yomuzi, guys, ayingazehlisa isithunzi by being on social media, liking people's pictures, commenting. Imagine nje indoda yakho tlatla so ubona igama like commenting on every second thing. Even though uMusa doesn't do that, but please, he needs to give his social media a break a little bit. Now, guys, I can't be the only one who was surprised by uMusa's statement saying something like, baningi abantu esilala nabo langa phandle and they don't get pregnant because bayapreventa. Sorry, sir. Baningi, what do you mean? Yazi imali, guys, imali has a way of making people who behave in very not nice ways. It has a way of covering them in a sense. Because I'm just thinking to myself, Musa, siklonipha kangaka baba. I just kind of feel like uzehlisela isithunzi by the things that you say. And if really you are living in that way, hi tata, you are no different than these guys in our society that we are complaining about. Maybe guys, you will explain to me ukuthi what really is the fuss. Because this man, Musa Mseleku, has 4 wives, he's got 5 wives technically. So why would you still want to be going to have sexual intercourse with a whole lot of other people? I don't get it. What really are you chasing after? Especially at his age, you'd expect what he's lived enough, he's seen it enough. What more does he want, bandla? Yo, hi. Anyway, let's pause it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.